Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook shredded chicken. First, select about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs for the best results. You will need a large pot with a lid and some basic seasonings like salt, pepper, and garlic powder. This method is incredibly simple, yielding tender, flavorful chicken that you can use in countless recipes throughout your week. To begin, pick up about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs from your local market. Gently rinse the chicken under cool water, then pat each piece completely dry using paper towels. This helps the seasonings adhere better. Now, generously season both sides of the chicken with about 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 full teaspoon of garlic powder for a basic, delicious flavor foundation. Now, arrange your seasoned chicken pieces in a large pot or a heavy Dutch oven, making sure they fit comfortably in a single layer. Pour in about 4 cups of chicken broth, or simply water, until the chicken is just submerged. This liquid keeps the chicken moist and adds flavor. Bring the broth to a gentle boil over medium-high heat, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until cooked through. Once your chicken is cooked, carefully remove it from the pot and transfer it to a large shallow dish or cutting board. Let it rest for just 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring tender results. While it is still warm, use 2 sturdy forks to pull the chicken apart, working against the grain to create beautiful, even shreds. For an even quicker method, place the chicken in a stand mixer with a paddle attachment and mix on low speed for about 30 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.